Multiplication madness. So, this is a nice game for early multiplication up out of the boring old one number multiplied by another number. It has you throw 3 dice, roll 3 dice. So, a 6, a 5, and a 3. Well, those of us teachers will start beginning to think, well, we can come from the idea of a 2-dimensional to a 3-dimensional situation, working on volume instead of just area. Well, this is in preparation for that, sure, but their modeling is going to be possibly limited to just this space, unless you have them working on base 10 blocks or Cuisenaire rods where they're building it concretely, which I recommend first. So 6 times 5 times 3. When I have them roll it, I ask which ones do you want to multiply first, because in the end you do have to multiply each of them. But couldn't you get 6 groups of 5 groups of 3? They say yes. Could you get 5 groups of 3 and 6 of them? Yes. Could you get 6 groups of 5 and 3 of them? Yes. All in the language in order to build an understanding of what it is we're trying to do. Then you're having success. So, if they choose to do the small numbers first, sure. 5 groups of 3. 5 groups, 3. 3, 5, there's 15 in there. So you're telling me that that situation is now a 15. I now need 6 groups of 15. How am I going to do that? That means I need 6 of those things. Well, surely they can draw. That's 1, 2, 3, and we're lucky enough that it'll fit here. 4, 5, 6. I didn't plan this, it was just how it rolled. And they can add it all up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. They could say 15 plus 15 is 30. See how I erased and then pulled the line out? That's to show that they added those, and now this whole space is 30. What do you notice? Oh, so 2 15s are going to be 30 again? That means, well, yes, because 10, 20, 30, this is also going to be 30. Different kinds of shape, but really it's 30 and 30 are 60, 70, 80, 90, whatever way they do it, it's fine. 90 is what their end product is. Okay, there are other ways to solve 6 groups of 15. If you're getting them all the way up here, they can do that as well. 6 groups, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we'd be encouraging them to draw it. 6 groups of, wait a second, 10 and 5 more. That's 60, and that's 30. So 6 times 15 is just like 6 10s and 6 more 5s makes our 30. Whoa! Plus 60 for 90. When they get there, they get to keep it. 3 in a row wins. Why only 3? Well, because there's randomness involved. And they're not getting to choose. You, of course, could change rules to make have them be allowed to choose all 3, which would be another different element, or choose 1 or 2, or have player one choose one of the die rolls for player two. Now that's all advancing. Just get creative. And again, 3 in a row wins. The madness is from the dice rolling. If you don't like the sound of dice hitting the hard table, get foam dice.